Hello coders, in this particular tips and tricks on Windows video, I will be showing you a shortcut in which you can find the properties of any file or folder. So traditionally we click on a folder and then after right clicking on it, we just select on this particular option properties to view the contents, what it contains, the structure of it. The shortcut to it is just click on this particular folder and press Alt Enter from your keyboard. So Alt Enter is the shortcut key to the properties of a particular file or folder. So I have clicked, I just pressed Alt Enter over a folder. What about a file? So there is a folder.bat file. Now if I press Alt Enter from my keyboard, it shows that this is a batch file and it's 66 bytes, something like this. So the bottom line to this particular video is that the shortcut key to find the properties to a particular file or folder in Windows computer, the shortcut key to it is Alt plus Enter. Thank you all guys. That's a short video on Windows tips and tricks. See you again for some other video and happy coding.